Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Ensign College Career Fair and asking employers what they look for in prospective employees.
At Ensign College, we focus on skills that matter, skills that make you stand out to employers.
What is one skill every college student should master?
I think it's really important to make sure you are building on your work ethic. Not only does that come in handy for studying, big tests, but really in real life, in your career, and finding passion as well. Making sure you're not just looking to grind all the time. I know we're really in grind culture right now, but work is a lot easier when you like it, and you can.
What's one skill every college student should master?
Excel. Regardless of all the software that you have and that you need to learn, etc., it's Excel that has a lot of basic information that you're going to need for your day-to-day workplace no matter where you go.
What is one skill every college student should master?
I think the skill they should master is communication and being able to express themselves very clearly and confidently, because those soft skills are going to take you they're going to be what gets you into any job, any employer. That's what everyone is looking for, is someone who can communicate very clearly.
What's one skill every college student should master?
I would say communication skills. That's huge, and it can be given around in every direction, every major.
Ensign College gives you the tools to master the skills employers value most.
Start your journey today.
Career Fair was such a treat. Thank you for watching. Please go to www.ensign.edu to learn more about our college.